Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in Conan Exiles Enhanced on PC. Follow these solutions one by one until your audio starts working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then click on Sound. Make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Select your device and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is not set to the lowest level. Solution 3. Open the Advanced tab. Set the audio format to 48,000 Hz or 44,100 Hz. You can also uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Now click Apply and then OK. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Then click Apply and OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. Go back and click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. Now restart your computer to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for your graphics drivers to update. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. If a new update is available, download and install it. Final step. Now launch Conan Exiles Enhanced and check if your sound is working properly. One of these methods should fix the audio issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.